How to change your system language, worldwide language, and any your favorite language change in your Windows 11 operating system. Desktop Windows search box lo language settings enter. First option language settings, click time and language. Sub option language or region. First option Windows display language, default English United States set. In case change the your favorite language. Second section lo preferred languages. Right side add language button, click. Choose your language to install window lo. In middle section number of languages and country-wide languages display. Select your favorite language. Middle section lo mouse scroll down. Change the France language, select this option. Direct type in search box Telugu. Select mouse left click. Bottom side first button, next click. Language installation before on your internet. Language preferences related option set as my Windows display language. Left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. First button install, click. Preferred language section lo selected language Telugu and language pack downloading process start. Wait and here few minutes. Download and installed language Telugu display. Additional second one language install. Add a language button, click. Search box lo type Hindi language. First one option select. Bottom side first button, next click. Optional language features all options tick mark set to default. Second one language preferences section lo set as my Windows display language. Left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. First button install, click. Second one language Hindi. Download and installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Hindi language also downloading and installation completed. First option right side down arrow click. Installed 3 languages. First one English United States, second one Hindi, third one Telugu. Telugu language select. Middle section lo mouse scroll down. Administrative language settings option, click. Region window lo first one copy settings button, click. Left side bottom section lo 2 options tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second one mouse left click. OK button, click. Change display language window lo first button restart now, click. After restart process completed, right side bottom section lo language settings ENG, click. Select your language English United States, select. Windows start button, click. All desktop shortcut icons Telugu language set. Second icon settings, click. Left side search box lo language enter. First option language settings select. First option right side down arrow click Hindi. Second option click. Middle section lo mouse scroll down. Administrative language settings option, click. First one button, click. Left side bottom section lo 2 options tick mark set. First button click. First button click. Desktop Windows search box in language change. In case type in English language, right side down section task manager lo language icon, click. Select Hindi or Telugu. Default language English, select. Windows start icon, click. Settings icon, click. In the display installed language delete and reset United States English set. Left side search box lo language settings enter. Language settings, click. installed languages, right side down 3 dots icon, click. Fourth option, remove, click. Yes button, click. Windows display language, right side Hindi display, down arrow, click. Default language English United States, set Hindi, right side down arrow, click. Fourth option, remove, click. Yes button, click. Mouse scroll down, administrative language settings option, click. First button, click. Right side bottom section లో 2 options tick mark set. First button, click. First button, click. After system restart process completed, bottom section లో task manager language section లో ENG default set